Give me some footage. It's working. Jiba Jiba. Going with the shit roller. Boom. So I kind of just want to sketch out what I'm going to make. I think I have to sketch. Oh, Photoshop, what the hell are you doing? What the fuck is happening? Love that I draw and it just a bunch of weird stuff. Okay, Photoshop, have you calmed down? Okay. So shitty suddenly. Pretty much sketch mode. Let's do it a bit smaller. Like thinner lines are better for sketching. If I want more thickness, I can just repeat the line. Okay. Actually. Okay. I don't need it rotated while drawing it. Wait, why are the Ooga Booga Men active right now? Or activated every single layer, of course. Well, I can't really deactivate it. Oh, who cares? I had this idea to turn this into a face. So the water thingy comes out of the face. Or wind. I don't know, it's water or wind. It depends on how you interpret it. But then I started drawing a face and I was like, I cannot draw a face. I just have so much trouble when I just start drawing. It's completely fucks up. There's this big leg spike. Annoying. Anyway, this will be the harbor slash shop. I'm not sure yet if I want it to be here. I think I do. Let me first just type out everything I need in the shop. I'll do that off screen. I don't know how I suddenly just got a cold. Like the exact time I was starting on my stream. It's Where? How? This is not the right place. Okay, checklist. Items in job. Okay. First of all, boat unlocks. What I know for sure. Weapon unlocks. Also probably for sure. There needs to be something that you can upgrade. I was thinking about gadgets. Gadgets are like the grappling hook and the slow motion, those things. Thinking you can upgrade those. Like for example, grappling hook, you can give it longer reach, more charges, faster recharge time, things like that. Same with slow mo. Yes. Do we also do gadget unlocks? I think we do. Anything else? I still have artifacts, which I can use maybe. Something with artifacts, maybe. Like, I'm thinking about how Vampire Survivors does the outside of the game progression, but I don't like how they do it. That's my entire thing. How they do it is it's just straight up damage boost that you can buy for a weapon. I don't like that. Maybe I would. There's some good sides to it. The good side is that if somebody is shit at your game, they can grind out some money and get an upgrade for the weapon. And now they don't have to be good at the game because the weapon is good. Some parts, I should stop wiggling my fucking leg. None of this footage is usable now. Hello. Need to stop wiggling my leg. Like, look at this. When I wiggle my leg, I cannot reproduce it now somehow. Why I can't even wiggle my leg. Look at how great this is for the camera quality. Isn't this great quality? Anyway. I'm thinking about everything I want in my shop. Because before I make the actual shop, I need to know what's gonna be in it. Right now I have... I lost my place I was typing. I have boat unlocks. You can unlock new boats. You can unlock new weapons. You can unlock new gadgets, like the grappling hook. And you can upgrade your gadgets. So you can make the grappling hook have a longer reach and an extra charge to use it, or a better reload speed. That's what I'm thinking right now. I'm also thinking maybe boat upgrades or something. Hmm. Oh my fucking... Could also go like really unique. Maybe you buy a boat and then whenever you die, you need to repair the boat in the shop. So I think, I don't know. Sounds kind of difficult to make. Like I was thinking something more that you can have your boat and you kind of keep your boat. Like your ship then really feels like it's your ship. Not just the ship. But I'm not sure because it's a lot of work. I also don't know if I can make it work properly. How would it work? Yeah, game design is hard. But it would be cool though to have like that you don't want to lose your ship or something. You really try to not die. I don't know if it fits the game. Because I want to... Sometimes I just want to make something very difficult so the player will die and then you lose your ship. It's kinda sad. I can also just make it so you can upgrade your ship like separately. So I have these multiple kinds of ships right now. Type properly. You have all these ships. Could be kind of cool if you could buy, for example, you could buy the red ship and say, I want a grappling hook on it. So you buy a grappling hook. But the grappling hook only is for this ship. So then maybe you have to buy another red ship if you want one with another gadget. Um, you could type some of these stuff I'm saying so I don't forget about them. That way I can be a bit more organized. Shop. Let's put it in the shop category. Okay, one idea I have is boats are balls. I don't know, it's not that interesting if it's just the gadgets that you connect to the boat. Like, I also still have this crazy idea. Like, what if you can make your own boat, like, completely? For example, I can kind of show it. Player boats falls. Let me make a copy real quick so I don't break anything. Let's give it the name test. You have the boat, but let's say there are no weapon slots. They don't exist yet. So you buy the boat, you just get this with nothing on it. Then you can buy a weapon slot separately, and you can choose like I want it maybe here. Put it like that. And maybe you can choose what kind of body you want the boat to have. So you choose for the red body, then suddenly the boat is faster. You choose the regular body, it's just regular. You can then make your own ship, which is also kind of interesting. I'm thinking it will change the game a lot. Might be really OP. Then you can think of stuff like I want to maybe you want a certain build, and then you can build your entire ship to work for that build. Hmm. I would like the build your own boat kind of vibe. It does give this cool progression. Because now when you start playing, you are like, oh, I want to buy that boat and put this cool thing on it or something. So you start trying to get enough money. You keep playing the game, and I keep getting money. Ok, ok, he says. Going to get something to drink. Uh, I really need to figure out if I want this or not. Because I cannot make the shop before I know what I want. Um, I think I'll just make it the system I'm talking about. Because it's not that hard to make. All I really need to do is make it so that the player can put weapon slots on it themselves. That's really all. Okay, then I need to save the ship. I need to make a save system, but I needed to make a save system anyway, so. Um, no, I need some music. Okay, let me see how I'm going to make this system. So now I can kind of draw out the shop as well, just a little bit. So I think you need a big inventory section. This is just, oh my god, the writing. There's inventory, don't worry. Here, here you can, for example, have your weapon slots. Well, I don't really need an inventory, do I? I can just make it so if you want a new weapon slot on your boat, you can just buy a weapon slot, put it on your boat. Let's do it this way. So you have a weapon slot. Looks like this. And it costs 20. You just buy it. Then if you want to sell it, you go to the sell. This is a good start for the how you put on the weapon slots. take them back off. Now there needs to be a way to select the boat, of course, and stuff. The cell area can be really small. And then of course in the background you will have some steigers. For decoration, of course. I guess I could just make this a list that you can scroll. And then you have the boat section. Or shouldn't call it boat section. This is the hull section. This will be the bolt. Maybe just everything else. I can just put. No. And of course, every slot you put on. Ooh, I could also make. So for every weapon slot you put on it, the boat goes slower. That could also be a thing. Because my first idea was just you add some value here, like this is the weight value. So it is 5 weight. And then you have a max of 20 weight. I don't know what it is. So you can only put 4 weapon slots on it. And the hull also has a weight, of course. Also has a weight value of something, I don't know. But I think I want to start with a simpler system. I don't want to add the weights. Start, I might just say 4 weapon slots. Maybe I need a weight system. I don't think I even need to make this scroll menu. It can just be like 2 squares. One with hull parts and one with all the other parts. Um, and there needs to be one menu to choose your existing ships, of course. Like your, I guess it can be this part, maybe. Where you have your existing ships. We can focus on the stream. Oh, do you like my menu? It all makes sense right now. I can see it. I see this working. I think I'm going to just make a simple version of this. Yes, very good shapes, right? There's also numbers. Look at these numbers. More numbers. Even letters. Look at these letters. These are some great letters. Don't we all see shapes? Like always. I always see shapes. Everything is shapes. Everything is also lines, so just look around you. Everything is lines and shapes. Is it even true? Don't think that's even true. Okay, whatever. I think I just might make a simple version of the system right now. Go to the main menu. Ah, my nose. Oh, why did I leave this upside down? It's not very cash money. And let me just build it up here. This job panel is a better name. Okay. I'm just going to create the most simple fucking version I can. Another panel. Thing like this. do we put in the panel? Why can't I see the panel? Background is in front. Goodish. Okay, so this will be the shop inventory. I need 2 more panels for the categories. I should do it the right way and put on a vertical layout group. The good shit. Now every child object I add will get spaced correctly. I can add another panel. Will be the category. Let's make them different colors so I can actually see. Bright red. This does not exist at the moment. Spacing. Not sure where it is. I think it's 0 right now. Stop being 0, please. I hate UI. Weird. Full child size. Oh, that's good. This is what I want. Only the width. Oh. Now, maybe also the height. Now I can make multiple, and it will automatically make it the right size. Next step. Delete a few because I only need 2, to be honest. The reason this is also hard and complicated is because whenever your screen size changes like this, you want everything else to also change, like you see. Otherwise it looks stupid. So that's why you need to do a bunch of complicated stuff. I don't know why is this thing not resizing? I think it does, but only if I do this. Okay, no. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. This one should be resizing. Oh, it's because this one is not on resize. Now it's resizing. Good thing I did the explanation because now I found out that it was not right. It works. I need to also make it upside down at the end, but I'll do that at the end. going to be so weird if I ever have to edit it. I will have to rotate it and then put it upside down again. It's just how it is. It's my punishment for trying to do something cool. Anyway, we have the panels. I think for these panels I want a prefab. Go UI. Harbor. By putting it in here and making the blue cube appear, what that basically means is if I make copies, I can edit this one. I can edit one of them. I can say, for example, I want, what do I actually want on it? I want an image. Give me an image. Take the weapon slot because that's actually what I need for one of them. Now, every single one of them has it. That's the magic prefabs. In this case, I don't want every single one to have it. I think in this case, I'll edit them one by one. The bottom one will have all the boats. The top one will have all the other things. Toilet. Can I do like a grid layout? Grid layout group. Cool. Now if I add a bunch of images just to test. Let's give it a bit of spacing. Cool. Make a cool grid. Don't know why it keeps expanding upwards. It's a bit confusing. I mean, it's kind of what I want, to be honest, but not in the way it's doing it right now. Let me see, what do we change to fix it? Maybe this constraint? I've never used this group before. Ah, I see how this works now. You basically tell it either keep the rows or the columns the same number of thingies. I kind of want both to be fixed. Is that possible? What is start? I should look up. I'm going to look up what this does because I don't know. Do not know. Can increase the cell size. You know. Well, for the boats, it should actually be something like this, probably. That would be a boat that you can buy. Let's double it and give it to the next person. Can add more boats. I don't want it when it goes to the next layer like this. Makes the entire square bigger. Which I don't want. I wanted to make all the boats smaller if it runs out of space. Out alignment needs to be upper center, middle center. Or maybe upper center. Go with upper center. I don't like how it just goes completely. It goes further than the container, cube, square. Um. Is it padding what we need? We need some padding maybe. Some padding. Yes, that was it. We still have the problem of it not. There's still space here as well, which is it annoys me. I think the constraint is something to do with this. Oh no. This is worse. This is just the same. I don't think that's the problem. The problem then has to be something in this group. Boom. Maybe I just need to make this smaller and then it fits. Like, is it me or is there just space? Feels like there's enough space, but it doesn't think there is enough space. Let me look up Google somewhere. Look at Google. think what I have to do is put something on this image itself. I think I need a content size fitter. Because what I said I wanted it to make these things smaller when it doesn't fit anymore. I think that's what a content size fitter means. So let's see. That means right now, just with edits. Still kind of shit. Don't really understand how putting something on the grid layout group changes size of the thing. Can I just tell it to stop or something? Oh, wow. Oh, apparently you're not supposed to do this. Think. Okay. So apparently that's not it. I still think the content size fitter is the way to go. Just not on that specific object. Okay, it also doesn't. Why is Unity is telling me that I should do this, and then now it's just saying no. Oh no. Can I now resize it? This is really interesting though. Now it just changes the square to fit exactly what I put in. That's not what I want. Not what I want at all. Somebody knows about UI, then please tell me. I don't. Uh, I still want to tell the individual elements to get smaller. That's what I want. Let me just Google exactly what I want to do. I want a grid with unconstrained cell size. I found it. Balls. Balls. Okay, I found it, I think. I need a content size fitter, so I was right about needing that. Which will scale a parent game object around its children. That sounds a bit sus to me. Maybe I should read what the content size fitter actually does before trying to use it. Let's see. Controls the size of its own layout elements. But if this is right, what I'm reading, that means I need it on the elements, which I previously did. Let's just try that again, I guess. But better. Try it again, but better. Let's go preferred size. I then get control of the size, or what's happening? Where do I prefer the size I want? Confusion. Very much confusion. Please let me prefer the size. What does that mean? Preferred size. Let's see what the internet people are saying. Best thing to do is to make a grid layout as the parent, and within that group, make a horizontal layout group. Crazy. I hate UI. Why is UI the most painful thing to make? Someone said that you then need to add go with an empty. Feeling this is not going to work. You like whips? Why would I like whips? A very random thing to like. Not that you shouldn't like whips, but I'm more of a sling kind of guy. You know the sling? You can use to throw rocks. Or that kind of guy. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I need to do preferred size, but I did it not right away. I need to then edit the width here. No, fuck. Why? Why does it not work? I don't get. I'm just clicking random things now until it works. And I'm kind of fine with this. It's not too bad. Whips are always there. It's kind of crazy. I'm just going to leave it like this because this is only needed for testing anyway. So I kind of need the minimum version that will work for my test. Put the raw image here and it will them. What if I make both big, then it breaks? This can be a smaller cell size. Maybe not that small. Okay. So now I need the logic. Okay. Do I need the logic? I'm going to. I already have the drawing, so I can just kind of use this to figure out what I need to make. Let me use a nice big green check mark. This part is kind of done. Just need to add the actual things you can buy. Then I need a place where your boat is editable. Before we do that, I need to make a place where you can choose from your available ships. Maybe not even. Guess you can just buy a ship. And when you buy a ship, you can edit it. Visuals don't really matter too much at this moment in time. Let's make something viable. I think I will make it an interface. But I've kind of forgotten how interfaces work. Like my chat. Dual wielding whips, that sounds awesome. Horse riding, dual wielding, crazy whip guy. Sounds amazing. I want to see this now. I want to see now what this look like. Hungarian dual wielding horse riding whip maniac. Don't think I'll find it by searching that. I don't know, it sounds kind of insane. Anyway, do this. You mean? Oh, it's not the right enum. Input state is something different. Is you happy now? Oh, I need a vector 2. The vector 2 is just for the click location or something. Mouse position. Guessing. So you can check if it's clicked on the right part or something. Don't think this is a very good interface. Whatever. I kind of want this to also be an interface. Does it even work? Is it even legal? Not sure. I don't know coding. Bye. I have to get used to coding. I haven't coded in a bit now. Need to make some new code, which is hard. Brain is not prepared. Try to go too fast. Don't go too fast. Let me write some pseudocode real quick. It's doing this. Okay, yes, now that that's done, we can continue with the actual thingy. So we have a shop manager. It does all the shop related stuff, right? That's one of the things we have. We have buyables. Which has a weight value. It has a cost value. And it does something when clicked. And the something, we need to specify the something a bit more. It is tells shop manager to do something. Okay, we need a bit more even. What are the somethings it can tell the shop manager to do? Can tell it to place weapon slots. I think I'm just going to make it so buyable also means sellable at the same time. Just both. Although, maybe not. Oh, maybe I do. Yeah, I do, I think. Something when clicked. Let's just remove that first part. It says nothing. Allow placement of not buyable. Or the other thing it can do is put ship in player inventory. This is a great way to get some structured code. You start by thinking like, what are all the things I am going to have to juggle around? What's involved? What does it do? And now I can think like, how do I want to actually implement it? So this seems like a good fit for an interface. I could add some maybes to this. Oh, like things I maybe want to add as functionality. Like for example, upgrading stats unbuyable. In fact, I do want to do this for the ship hull. But I don't want to connect the ship hull to the actual Bible logic. Bible logic, that's a good one. The Bible does handle the interactions that cost money. It's mostly it. You're back. So I was talking to nobody. So I'm thinking I will just is attached to actual functioning object. Wage less a cost value. It tells the shop manager how it needs to handle the buyable when it's clicked. That's about it. Question is, how do I handle upgrading of buyables that you already have? I guess since it's also something you buy, I put it here. It has a cost value. Cost value increases with upgrades. This is a thing that's not just when you initially buy it, it's also when you sell it and when you upgrade it, it needs to be changed or used. Okay, my brain is zoning out. I don't think this is allowed. I think maybe just don't make this an interface. Let me look it up just to be sure. Yeah, I think Bible is a class actually. So we can start coding a little bit. Give the weight value. I don't have to type value. Load. Cost. Load. Well, that's it. Really, it's just it. Whenever it gets interacted with, we go try by. Why is there so much space? Try by really just needs to figure out how much money the player has and if it's enough. So you can do something like integer player cash. Cash is fine. Let's not use cash. Just cash, I think of real life money. And if I ever want to make something involving real life money, then it's confusing. Cost can also be an integer, I just realized. Weight as well. We try by if their goals bigger or equal than cost. This actually needs to also subtract the money from the player. This needs some reference to, like, I guess the shop manager can know the shop manager knows player goals. And this will just have to get a reference to shop manager somehow. I don't have a shop manager yet. Well, maybe I should make the shop manager. Put it on the shop panel. Okay. What's it doing shop manager? Still loading or what is it doing? Shop manager. Put this one here. I can give a reference here. That's mostly what I wanted. And when I call try by, I can just say, don't even really need this right now. Now that I have a reference, I can just go shop manager. That there holds. when we do that, we do the thing, and when we do the thing, we do the thing. We give the thing, we do the actual buy. Or balls, I guess. At this point, it's balls. 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 I bought it. Bought. English. I do like trying to figure out how English works on stream. Interesting. I think what I just want is that the bot method is overrideable or virtual. So now I can make a separate version of this. Call it both viable or something. Shut the fuck up. I am learning how to speak. Thinking of something to say. Learn to play the finals. Learn. Oh, I get what you're trying to do. I think. You're also learning English. Yeah, it's a very nice way to learn English. You get a lot of practice, that's for sure. It's only a little bit cringe when I listen to myself after the stream. I just hear myself pronouncing something completely wrong. Like, wrong, it's wrong. Wrong. Let's just keep coding. Stop being cringe. Wrong. Yeah. I don't know, I kind of feel like the TH sounds, I kind of got it down. Sometimes I just refuse to do it. I don't know. Bought. I bought it. Yeah. But wat does bot do? I do not know. Thinking. I think I'm just going to take a little break from thinking right now. Not working out for me. My primary language is Dutch. Nederlands. Hele goede taal. Lekkere G. Lekkere G. Dat klinkt lekker toch? French. Well, I'm glad I don't have to speak French anymore. It feels actual hell. Like, do you know how weird French is for non-French people? Doesn't make any sense. You know how painful it is. Okay, that's great. Yeah, it was horrible. I had to do speaking tests in school. And it was so cringe. It was horrible. Also, I kind of just refuse to do the stupid pronunciations that you guys have. I just did all of it in kind of Dutch, broken Dutch way, and it's great. Like the best one I remember is out of RAR. Sounds great, doesn't it? Say cheese in French. The fromage. Where's la fromage? Nobody knows. In case any of you are confused, I have YouTube chat and Twitch chat. You're both one people, so if I say something random, then you know why. Oh yeah, I was going to stop thinking. Just kind of show what I'm working on. That's easy. So whenever you click on this harbor symbol thingy, you go to the shop, which happens by rotating this. Then you reach the shop. And I see now how horrible this looks. It doesn't even fit right. Whatever. Whatever. I want to see my compiler. Can't get too exciting about compilers, to be honest. But what does it compile? I'm curious. Did you make it for school or something? An assignment? Your own language? Oh. That type of compiler. I mean, I'm kind of curious how compilers work. Exactly. Exactly. Oh, he's here. Oh no. Can we ban this guy, someone? Let me play the game for a bit. Calm down. Not calm down, to recharge my brain. I already know it's going to crash because I just made a bunch of code. I didn't finish it, but whatever. Yeah, I know. The same name as your Steam account. %40% make file. Oh, I remember make files. I remember that from I did a short period of study at this school called Kodam. Kind of this weird school where you don't have teachers, but you just have a big group of students and you teach each other. And it works pretty well. We did it in C, so I had to do a lot of make files. We did it in C and without a IDE. Luckily, I've never had to do assembly, so that's good. What game will you play? I will play my own game. But first, I will get some water because my mouth is getting hella dry from all this talking. Oi, 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 oi. What is a git ignore? A git ignore, my friends, is how you don't upload your entire PC to the cloud. Basically. Um, yeah, when you do a lot of coding, you kind of want to make a sort of a backup of every change you made. So if you break everything, you can kind of go back to the previous version.
Ja, zo'n Rabo reader.
Denk ik niet. Oh wait, maybe. Hier niet is, dan heeft Kai gestolen ooit of dit. Look at my rock, by the way. Look at this. It's beautiful. Wait, what do you guys see? Look at this. Look at it shining. In my rock. Amazing. I also have this Lego horse. Pretty cool as well. Got some emotes in the chat. YouTube is really lacking in some good emotes. The hell is it even? The PogChamp. Okay. Oh yeah, playing my own game. Level do I play? Let's play this level. And we have the first error. Wait, what? This error can't even exist. I don't know why it exists. I think it's maybe because I broke the structure somehow. Somewhere, yeah, somewhere I do get component in parent. And I probably, the parent is not the parent anymore. Yeah, I know what's happening. I can find where I have the levels. Backgrounds. I have all these buttons. We all need to know about level select, which is probably not apparent anymore. Where did I put it before? I just look for it. Oh. I guess I can just replace this with component. I do component.find. Yes. Find component or something. Component.find. Is that a thing I can do? I'll just wait. I don't know. This doesn't work. Okay. I'm gonna just have to find it. I need to find it anyway, because if I ever want to change it, kind of good to know where it is. Found it. Yeah, it's not attached anymore. This is an easy fix. Put it on the pivot probably. Okay. Yeah, it's going crazy. Do I have emotes? I've never used Switch, I have to admit. Do some cool emotes. Look at all them bald people. Oh wait. Did I not save? I did not save, okay. Fish. I need a fish emote for my own channel. How do you add emotes for your own channel? I should look into that. Okay, I'm getting distracted. First time I'm seeing that error. Let's play some game. I might go play some Divinity soon. Divinity Original Sin 2 with a friend of mine. I'm very confused about this error. What the hell does this mean? They fix something up? Oh, I did not put a mono behavior on this guy. Do Let me just. Where's the bald guy? Want a million bald guys in the chat. Do I keep losing the emotes? Or is it? Okay, that's amazing. Save it right, yes. Let's close my door. I'm being spied on. The goblins are spying on me. They want my money. Okay, play level, let's go. I'm going to warn you that it's going to crash. Just know it already. It was not even loading, okay. Well. It's not doing anything. So, I don't know why it's not doing anything. Why did I break it so bad? Let's see. Is there a selected level? Yes. Selected level is selected. Or not? Selected level is swamp. Selected is set to true. And we set so and then it doesn't work. So confused. Don't see how this could have broken, to be honest. Only thing I can think of is that this broke. Yeah, this broke. Okay. Of course, because this also lost its reference. Maybe I should put this script on a place where it's never going to get changed from like the canvas itself. Or just like add an object, call it level select, so I never lose where it is as well. To be at the top. I mean, it doesn't even have to be in the canvas then. Just level select. Easy as that. Oh. Select. No, wait, it does need to be apparent. The buttons. It's kind of a stupid system. Go to make the system different. Now I need the set sail button really quick. Sail button. I should not call this panel. Why is it just called panel? My naming is so shit sometimes. Also not sure why the frame is also on here, but let me remove this from the why is it now behind everything? I don't know why. I love making games. Anyway. That's all. Then in the script I'll just say find level select dot get component. Okay. I need a big drum roll now because I think it's going to work. Which is a mistake. You should never think it's going to work. Never, ever. Don't think my friend's going to to be here. When my friend says let's go in the afternoon, it's most likely he means like 5 o'clock in the evening. So yeah, that's great. What do you mean? This also needs a reference. Apparently, this also needs a reference. Like I said, never think it's going to work because it isn't. And level select needs my button. Don't you ever think that you can make working code? Oh. I think one day I'm going to do a stream about my Little Big Planet levels I'm working on. Because I have a few levels in Little Big Planet, which I've been working on for a few years. Like, not full time or something, but like sometimes like a week, and then not, and then maybe a weekend, and then you know how it goes. But holy shit, we're in the game. I think I'm going to what the hell? Just looked at Twitch chat and I don't know what I'm even seeing. Should be illegal. Let's go fire it. Always fire it. Oh, the fish are coming, don't you worry. Worry. I know I say French is weird to pronounce, but to be honest, English is also very weird to pronounce. don't think any language really makes sense if you look at the pronunciation. Because people say what sounds cool and not what's actually on paper. Libitoid. Mine layer for the win. Oh, I kind of broke the explosions. There's supposed to be explosions when the mine explodes, but I broke it. Hello. Oh boy. Oh boy. Sometimes I just play my game so much that I don't get any work done. But right now I am at the point where I kind of don't even like playing my own game because I played it so much already. Like it feels like work playing my own game. It's kind of nice. Oh boy. Oh boy. Leave me alone. I need to get some upgrades before I die. Hungarian word. Is there a cool Hungarian word that you can teach me? I'm talking about Twitch chat now, by the way, if you're confused. It's a Hungarian guy. And he's going to teach me swear words now, probably. I guess it's hard. It's quite hard to teach someone a word in chat. These big pirate guys are so hard. They do die pretty fast. That's good. They are very scary. Like I'm very forced to go in a certain direction right now. Oh, the fish have arrived. Stop it. Okay, he died. I want that money. Try and get at least a bit of it. Easy. Hello. What the hell did el was el, what the hell? El capos talanita tlan sagos kudas sai tukert. I think it was Hungarian for fuck me in the ass. Something like that. Someone in Twitch chat posted abomination of a word. Oh shit, I'm not paying attention anymore. Let me get this one. This level feels so intense all the time. Ooh, Pierce. Pierce is really strong. It basically just doubles my damage output. And I think the reward I'm looking for is spawned inside of this whirlpool. Yes, I found it. Okay, let's vote in the chat. Sekbebasni. I'm going to say that to everyone now. The auto moderator, what the hell? Okay, I had to allow your chat right now. Yeah, I think your language is not that hard. Because the words, at least I think the words actually say what they say. Like, you just say the word. You know what? I am Dutch, and Dutch is based on German. And Hungarian is probably also somewhat based on German. Like, all the European languages eventually come back to Latin. It's only really the Americans that just don't know how to pronounce. Anyway, what do I pick? This is where the lore is coming, by the way. Most of the lore. So the lore for the Glock 19 is got the strap. It's the Glock. Ah shit, it broke. Oh, it did not break. Let's go. It's just slow. Glock is pretty strong, I think. Maybe I should nerf it a little bit. It's a bit strong. Oh no, oh no. Don't worry, I escaped. Let's get the money though. Oh shit. Maybe not. That wave is so scary. More bullets. Look at all the bullets. Oh wait, my friend is messaging me right now. Oh, he's trying to call me. I'm going to finish this run and then I will stop streaming. I wasn't going to stream today anyway because normally I don't stream in the weekend. But I felt like working on my game, so I was like, well, why not stream it anyway? Just more marketing publicity. What would you do? What do we do? I can't choose between these two. I think area. The mine layer is very good. Pebble. Pebble. I know what you mean. It's supposed to be an egg. Egg. I think the Glock is. Maybe it's fine. Like, it can be a bit OP because it's pretty rare that you're going to find it. So, the Pebble. I can see how you think it's a Pebble. Like a Pebble with some blue stains on it. It's supposed to be the egg heater. I have to still make some kind of chicken. Like there's a chicken just shooting eggs or something. Beans. You want the beans? I can do some beans. So much happening. I think this level has the most stuff happening on screen. It's also supposed to be the hardest level, so that's why. It's supposed to be kind of like the level keeps getting more chaotic and harder the longer it takes. So as you can see, there's way too many waves right now because the sea is getting more stormy. With sound effects, it will be even better. This is the rogue tides from the title. You're seeing them right now. Oh shit. Damage. Yeah, I'm really a big fan of this enemy. It looks so cool. So much XP lying around. I'm a bit OP right now, I have to say. Let me tell my friend that I'm coming so he doesn't just leave. I told him I'm coming. More bullets. Looks like a vengeful shovel. It's a pretty good description. Oh wait, I need to get this one. This one is a special one. Okay, so there's only one right choice right now. And I want to see if we can pick it. Yes, of course. Of course he picks it. Like, this is the most OP upgrades I could have gotten, to be honest. And I think you'll see why. If he ever shows up. It takes a bit of time to show up, I don't know why. Oh yeah. This is what you want. This is the shit. It's a shame there's no enemies right now. Oh, what am I doing? More beers. I might eat some dinner kebab tonight. Do you do you guys also have dinner kebab? I guess you don't, since you don't have any foreigners. Speaking to the guy from Hungary, of course. Oh, that's such a shame. That's one of the best things that foreign people have brought to the Netherlands is dinner kebab. Oh, this is. I think I like this enemy the most out of all of the big enemies. You guys are just so unique. He's so dead. You don't like kebab? What the hell? What? I've never heard somebody say that in my life. Okay, not like kebab. A demonic ice cream cone. Also a good description. Look at the amount of fucking bullets. I love how it's censored fucking in the chat, but I say fucking like every 10 seconds. I'm not sure if there's any enemies coming. Let me skip this. No, this is the end, pretty much. This is all work in progress. So, yeah, that's it for today. Might stream tomorrow. I'm still going to fix the build for you. I will send it. Do you have an Android phone? Then I can just send you the mobile version, maybe. Because then I have to do no effort. Shit. Guess I can make a quick version right now. Yeah, I feel like I have to send it now because I have said it so many times that I will send it. But I do want good feedback. And good feedback in terms of games is I want to know exactly what you think is shitty about the game. Like, what don't you like? Because then I can fix it. And then when I actually release the game, it will be less shitty. And of course, if it breaks somewhere, then it's also good to know. This will take a while. I'm going to get something to eat. I forgot to eat this afternoon. Bills, bills, bills. What am I doing? I still need to do one thing, just because it's kind of nice, which is the ability button. I'm going to disable it. This button is not used right now. It's only for mobile. I'm not going to put it in your screen without any reason. I had it. Then I clicked again and now it's gone. I can just search though. Ability. Fucking ability. Ability. Ability button. It's the ability button. Ability button. I need to quickly test now if it crashes without the button. It might. Would be kind of sad. Oh yeah, I was testing. Every time when there's a long loading screen, There's a long loading screen. I just forget what I was doing. Annoying. Well, it's not crashing. But I believe it works. I have to warn you though. Might not work at all. I haven't built for a PC in a long time. I always build for mobile and then test it on my phone. Yeah, 16 times the detail. That's what you're gonna get. Is it gonna be a quadruple A game? It's gonna be a pentuple A game. Gonna be a sextuple A game. Gonna be a septuple. Of how I told my friend I was coming now and I was not coming now. Yes, exactly. Gonna be a decuple A game. I think that's actually a term. Yes, it's a term. Decuple. Decuple A. Means 10 A's. Why are there errors? It completed with success, so let's just quickly test if it works for me. Ah, yes. The shop I just made. Look at that shop. That the best shop you've ever seen? Okay, random level. I think it's working. Oh, you might want to turn the sound off, but you can see if you like the sound and then turn it off or not if you want. not, not the best. Okay, it's working. I think. Just try that level real quick. Yes, I changed this ship. This ship is kind of experimental right now. I thought, what if I just make one go very fast, but you cannot steer it at all? You just have to kind of hope that you're going in the right direction. This is a really unique way to play the game, that's for sure. Now you're kind of just racing. You're really only looking in front of you. Kind of makes the game simpler in that way. Anyway. Oh shit, you hear that? You hear that? Supposed to hear that? I don't know. Whatever. Yes, I can send you this now. This name, by the way, means good sailing or nice sailing in Dutch. But it sounds funnier in Dutch, I don't know why. Lekker varen. Lekker varen. How do I send it? I guess I can put it in the Discord. I'll just put it in the Discord and ask anyone if they want to test it, they can. Wait, I don't think it fits in the Discord now that I think about it. Okay, I need to do it via Google Drive then. Put it on the drive of my actual developer account. Dit allemaal. I don't know. Put it in the drive. Put it in the drive. I do have to tell you to not send this to anyone. Because before you know it, that person is going to send it to another person, and then that person sends it to the Chinese government or something. And then they steal my game. We don't want the Chinese government stealing my game, so. Well, you can't really do much with this version, it's too broken, but I guess that's a good thing about being more broken. Think I made the link. Download my game using this link. Please leave feedback after. Please leave feedback. Just please leave feedback. I need it to feed my children. Okay, I made a typing error, but I don't care. I put it in announcements in my Discord. But I think my friend is waiting long enough, so now I will stop streaming. I will wish you. Let me see what you said in the chat before I close everything. I've already closed everything. Okay, well, whatever. I already closed you. Whoops, but good luck with the game.